Guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 just in 24 hours. Now this is a proven method that lots of people are using, and you can learn from this video and use it too. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, please do ask me in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to visit to this monchai.com, okay, and then here you will see big launches and all launches. For as you are just beginning, so ignore these big launches and check at the all launches. So it is releasing in 6 May. So if I show you today's date, so it is 6 May and it is going to release today. So you can check out this product and the product that seems to be interesting. Okay, for this video I have selected this product, that is Kenny10 crypto miner. Okay, so let's open it and you'll see all the details. So you need to join, you will get your affiliate link in Warrior Plus. Okay, you need to join this platform that is called Warrior Plus CPA network. So let me show you. Okay, so let's got it. If you type Warrior Plus sign up, then you can simply sign up to Warrior Plus and get your link for this product, this crypto miner product. Okay, and if you want to check the JV page of this product, you can simply click on here and you'll see the JV page and you'll see all the details about this product and how you can promote it. So you can see all of the details at here. So now this product is not in the market yet, it is going to release today. Okay, but if you search on YouTube, then you'll see crypto miner review, crypto mining, how to mine crypto. One video is already published 18 hours ago and it has 24 views. Okay, so now I guess that these views are from the people like me who are going to promote this kind of product by creating a video. Now in some case, okay, in some product that are available at here, what you will see, there are lots of reviews you will see already, and what you can do is you can put the product name like it is crypto miner, and if you will search this, then you will see this. Okay, and then you can click on filters and just select this week. Okay, so that you will get the latest video that is published regarding this specific product, that is crypto miner. Okay, and then what you can do is you can again filter and click on Creative Commons. Okay, and if there is any video that these people who are making this kind of review have kept in Creative Commons, then you can literally, let's say, download that video and re-upload that video by giving another title and another thumbnail. Okay, you can simply create this kind of thumbnail by using canva.com. okay, you can learn those things by using by watching some of the tutorials that are available on YouTube. So now if you want to download any video that is on YouTube, you can simply type SS in this way here. Okay, and hit enter and you will see this is the exact product that is that you saw at here. Okay, this. So let's okay, so now you'll see this kind of, here is the link for that video and you can simply download this video by clicking on here and it will be downloaded to your laptop or PC. And once you do that, then you can go to canva.com, create another type of thumbnail. Okay, and a little bit another title like crypto miner review and anything other that you can write. Okay, you can check out other reviews video of other people and create a title for your video. So that is one way you can go with it. Okay, and once this product is released, then lots of affiliate are going to send email campaign to this sales page. Sorry, this is not the sales page, this is the JV page, to the sales page of this crypto miner. Okay, and when people start to do email, and let's say people start to run native ad or any other Google ad, and people who will watch this kind of ad, okay, then they will start to do research on this product and they will most likely be searching for crypto miner review. Okay, this is the most likely search term that they will type on Google or YouTube. Okay, and once they type that, then they will see your video. Okay, your video that you have literally found a Creative Commons video, and if you have uploaded, they will see that video, and you can put your affiliate link for that crypto miner in this way. And this video has already a call to action. If you watch this video properly, then you'll see, and they will click on this link, and if they purchase, you will get sales. And if you got a lot of sales, like if this video have got 24 views, let's say if you have got like 4 sales, then you have 4 or 5 sales, then you have easily made over $100. Okay, because they do use sales funnel for this product. They will upsell other thing also. So in that way, that is the one way to go. Okay, by literally downloading the Creative Commons video and re-uploading. Now if you are doing that, then okay, so let me show you. Just wait for a minute. I'll show you. If you are using that kind of Creative Commons video, then you need to put a creative. So let me show you. So you need to put, I would suggest you to pause this video and see this text. Okay, so let me make it broad. Okay, so original video. So you need to put the original video link of this video. Okay, link of this video you need to put at here in this way. Okay, and license under Creative Commons by attribute 3.0. This link is already given at here. You can type it. Okay, and for any copyright concern, contact us at our this is our, okay, our email address. Your email, put your email at here, and we'll act upon your query immediately. So now what happens, if they have placed that video in Creative Commons and you have downloaded and uploaded, then they will go to this link and they will see that Creative Commons means anyone can reuse that video. Okay, they will find out that about that in this link. And even if they think you need to remove that video, then they will contact you in your email address by telling you to act upon and remove that video. Then you can remove that video. Okay, so that is the one thing that you can use to promote any product that is going to launch today or tomorrow. Okay, you can check out other product also, and you will not find all the reviews in YouTube. Okay, maybe some videos, some offer doesn't have that kind of review. Then what you can do is you can read everything about that product in this kind of sales page. And what you can do is you can download OBS Studio. So as you can see, I am recording this video in OBS Studio. Okay, you can literally download it for free. It doesn't cost you any money, and you can watch simple tutorial how to use this OBS Studio. And if you don't want to use this face, then what you can do is you can turn this off. It is extremely easy to do that also. So if I don't want to show my video, then I can literally remove it in this way. Okay, so you can make your a faceless video. Okay, faceless video by just talking about this product. Just research a little bit about this product, see some blog about this product. Okay, so watch some videos about this product and create your own video by showing this product and talking about this product. That is the second way that you can do, and it is a little bit safe than first way. Okay, and there is a third way that you can do. If you see this video properly, then anyone who is a freelancer on Fiverr can easily recreate this kind of video. Okay, by using free stock videos and this kind of text, by using this kind of text. So now what you can do is you can go to, let's say, fiverr.com. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so let's click on sign in. So now if you understood the thing that I am trying to deliver to you in this video, then you can literally do this again and again and put your affiliate link in the description of this YouTube video, and you can keep on making money for yourself for lifelong. Okay, and this is not something you have already seen. This is not something that I have made out of my mind, because people already are doing. I wanted to show about another product. There was like literally 12 to 15 reviews video that was going to launch yesterday. Okay, yesterday there was 12 to 15 video. I was planning this YouTube video, but that product already got launched and I was unable to show you because that product is not at the time at the shooting of this video, that is not showing at here. Okay, so this in this another video, another offer, there is only one video that I could show you. And if there was like 10 to 12 video, maybe some video was in Creative Commons, then I could literally download it and post it in my another YouTube channel and promote the same product that video is promoting. Okay, so now what you can do is you can go to Fiverr and sign up to Fiverr. Okay, if you need a link, I'll give my affiliate link in the description. You can sign up and you'll get a pretty good deal on Fiverr. Okay, and what you can type is YouTube video. You just type YouTube video. Okay, and you will see lots of option. Okay, yeah. And if you see special offer 10 videos with voiceover, you can order this kind of freelancer to create a video for you. So let's see, I'll create best cash cow videos or YouTube videos, how to. So let's see is gig at first. So now you can see some demo video at here that he have already created, and if you see was that kind of video, then you'll notice that it is same this type of video. Okay, so if you scroll down, then how much it cost, it all everything is written at here. Okay, everything is written at here, and you can literally firstly contact the seller and give him a link to this video, and can you recreate this video, not exactly that video but a little bit different video with a call to action that the link is in the description. You can create it and how much it will take, and they will reply, and you can order that video and give that video a title, thumbnail, and post that video in YouTube and put the link in the description. That is going to be the third way to promote this kind of product that are just going to launch. Now you can also promote this product that are in the big launches, but I guess that this kind of product are watched by many affiliates and they have already created a lots of material in regard to promote this kind of video, sorry offer, in regard to promote this offer. So it may be hard for you, so you can check other product that are not watched by many affiliate and are pretty new. Okay, and you can create either Creative Commons video or order from Fiverr, or you can create your own by using OBS Studio. So in that way you can literally make up to $100 in 24 hours by the help of this Month's Eye, which shows you the product that are going to launch today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Here you can see, keep on scrolling and you'll see lots of date that are upcoming products. You'll be able to see at here. Okay, so guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please do like this video, and if you have any question, do comment below, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing more this kind of video in upcoming days. So for